So in my tank bag, I carry a pair of trauma shears because you never know when you need scissors. You could just do this with a knife also. What I do is I cut the corners off, and then between the corners, off to the long side there. And now we're going to crunch those up a little bit. Crunch those up a little bit. Hopefully that wasn't too loud for you. Let's add the cheese. Let's put the cheese in there. We'll put the meat on top. Grab a good handful of cheese. Put it right over the meat in case it does spill. It spills into our other ingredient. Shake that up. Meat into the bag on top of the cheese. Stir it up and enjoy. Just stir all that up in there. Oh, that's going to be cheesy, crunchy meat.